Hey there! In this video, we're going to tackle a common problem that can arise when setting up WireGuard following a specific guide. The problem we'll address today is related to internet connectivity issues after configuring WireGuard on a Linux system. A user followed instructions to install WireGuard, placed the config files in the correct directory, and ran the setup command successfully. However, they encountered difficulties accessing the internet, experiencing DNS errors and timeouts when trying to connect to websites. Now, let's delve into the solution to this issue. The key lies in the fact that DNS resolution is failing, but connections can still be established through IP addresses. By performing a couple of tests, such as pinging a known IP address directly and attempting to connect to a site using the IP address in a browser, we can confirm if the internet connection is functional via IPs. If that's the case, it's likely that the changes made during the setup process have impacted the previous DNS resolver. To resolve this, the DNS nameserver needs to be set to a different provider, like Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google Public DNS 8.8.8.8. Solution: the solution to the internet connectivity issue post-WireGuard setup lies in adjusting the DNS nameserver to a reliable provider as Cloudflare or Google Public DNS. By doing so, you can restore proper DNS resolution and regain access to the internet seamlessly. In summary, we've addressed a common problem that occurs after configuring WireGuard on a Linux system, causing DNS resolution failures and internet connectivity issues. By adjusting the DNS nameserver to a trusted provider like Cloudflare or Google Public DNS, you can resolve the problem and enjoy uninterrupted internet access. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any additional tech topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and until next time.